In this video, I'm going to solve or draw a Ogive curve, okay, in statistics of 10th class, okay. So, to draw an Ogive curve to represent the following frequency distribution. So, these are the class intervals and these are the frequencies or number of students. Here, if you observe, the class intervals is not continuous, right? That's why what we have to do to make this continuous is just subtract the lower limit by 0.5 and the upper limit add 0.5. Okay, if you do that you will get like this class intervals values. Next we have to take frequency, next number of students less than, and you have to take the upper limit of each class as the number of students less than. Next, coming to cumulative frequency, like this you have to prepare the table for this Ogive curve. Here I am using the less than method. Okay, less than method, whenever using less than method you have to take the upper limits of the class interval. Okay, so and coming to the frequency, cumulative frequency, what you have to do, the first one will get the same, and from the second onwards what you will do, the first frequency plus the first cumulative frequency plus normal frequency 8. Here 2 plus 6 8. Next also 8 plus 10 18. Here I have written that. Okay, by that seeing that you can understand. Okay, now after drawing this table you have to take the x-axis, the number of students less than is taken on the x-axis, and on the y-axis you have to take the cumulative frequency. Here I am taking two even numbers, that is 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30. See why I took here, what is the value you are having, maximum 26 is there. So we can take 2 units for each box. Okay, so in y-axis we have to take the cumulative frequency, and on the y-axis, x-axis you have to take the number of students less than. Okay, so next coming to this, what you have to take is 0 to 0.5. We have to assume one class interval which is having 0 frequency. Next 4.5 is having 2. So for 4.5, so here 4.5 is 2. So 4.5 and here 2. Okay, next 9.5 is 8. 9.5 is 8. Straight of 9.8 and straight of 8 here. Next 14.5 18. 14.5 on x-axis, 18 on y-axis. Next 19.5 23. So 19.5 you are having 20 here, this is 20 and this is 22. Above in the middle you can take it as 23. Okay, 20 22 and between 22 and 24 you will have 23, right? So between what is the exact middle line you have to take 23. Next 24.5 is 26. So here 24.5, straight of 24.5 and straight of 26.5 here. Okay. Understood how to draw? Now what you have to do with the free hand, without using scale, you have to join these dots. Okay, like this you have to draw a curve with the free hand, and after drawing just plot the values 4.5 comma 2, this what 9.5 comma 8, this what 14.5 comma 18, next this one 19.5 comma 23, and this for 24.5 comma 26. Like this we have to plot the points on the graph. Okay, understood? This is a Ogre curve. Understood? If you have any doubts, please say that in the comment section.